Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my recipe for a giant peanut butter cup. So, peanut butter cups are one of my all-time favorite candies, so naturally, I wanted to make a giant. This recipe is super simple, so don't be intimidated by its size. Just be excited by its size, because it's a giant peanut butter cup. So to start, we're gonna melt down some milk chocolate. Chocolate is chocolate. It's gonna be delicious, whether or not you temper it. And I poured that into the bottom of this tart shell pan. So you're just gonna spread that out nicely with a spoon or a spatula. And you wanna make sure that you're going up the sides of the pan. You also wanna make sure that you're doing this pretty evenly, because if you have any like holes or gaps or whatever, you just don't want them. Then you're gonna pop that in the refrigerator to set. Now we're gonna go on to the filling. So peanut butter cups obviously don't just have peanut butter filling. Fun fact. It's kind of like a fluffier, crumblier texture. So in trying to emulate that, I mixed peanut butter, and I mixed that peanut butter with powdered sugar and butter.
Do you prefer chunky or creamy peanut butter?
I prefer creamy peanut butter for sure. So once the bottom shell of the chocolate has cooled and set, you're gonna pour that peanut butter filling we just made right onto there and spread that out nice and evenly. Then of course, we're gonna top that with some more melted chocolate and spread that out evenly. And then pop it back in the fridge, finally set. So if you wanna make this recipe, I highly recommend getting yourself one of these tart shell pans that pops out. It's just gonna make your life a whole lot easier. If you only have like a regular tart pan, you could just still go for it. It'll still be delicious. So then, like I said, you want this tart shell pan because you can literally just pop up the bottom and serve. That's literally all you have to do for this giant peanut butter cup. See, it's so easy, but so delicious. I serve this kind of like a cake again, because I mean, you could just take a big bite out of it and eat the whole thing, but if you want to share, cut a big slice and eat it like that. But again, you could literally just bite out of it. Take a bite, do you. And if you make this, let me know, I want to see it. Slide into my DMs. Gotta stop saying that. A lot of times when I've made giant foods, they've turned out to be a giant mess, but this one was really simple and obviously delicious. If you want to see me make more giant foods, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know how that correlates, but you can.
You don't have to do a pun every time, Alex. You just try and make it.
I have to do a pun every time. Giant. You either get a pun or song. That's all I got.